Today, everyone is sending their sons and daughters off to university. Yani, subhanAllah, if you send them off to, you know, what you call, I don't want to say anything crazy, but if you were to send them off to a battlefield, without armed, nothing, innocent kid, that's foolish. But at least, you know, maybe inshallah Allah will have mercy on them in the akhirah. What mercy Allah is going to have on these shabab that we are sending, and fatayat, the girls that we're sending across the country to universities where we have no idea what type of environment there is. One sheikh recently, he's an imam of a masjid. He doesn't know much about university, he's from overseas. He came and he told me he's taking his daughter to university. I said, which one? He said, Fulan. I said, really? You're going to leave her there in the dorm? He said, yeah, I guess so. I said, all right. The next day he comes to me. He said, a whole night I haven't slept. I said, what happened? He said, I went to the dorm. I went to the university to drop off my daughter. She wears hijab and everything. And you know what I saw, Sheikh? I said, I know what you saw. You don't need to tell me. He said, I saw men and women sitting there together, drinking and dancing in front of me. And my daughter has got to stay in that place. I said, what you think? Were you leaving your daughter in a madrasa Islamiyya or what? That's what university life is. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. That's just the tip of the iceberg. What type of kufr and ilhad? Zina is, leave that. They say the numbers are ridiculous. They say taqriban 63% of Muslim boys and girls, they are involved in fornication and zina, well, in their college years, 63%. The numbers, there have been research that is specifically done. You can go search for this online. There have been social studies done on Muslims in university and college. Trends in alcohol and trends in zina. And you will be maybe surprised that they are very, very close to the non-Muslim counterparts. Very close to the non-Muslim counterparts with regards to indulgence in these major sins.